In South Africa's unpredictable power environment, compressors face challenges like never before. Load shedding, voltage spikes, thermal stress. Each trip can cut oil life in half. For maintenance and repair businesses, that means more wear, more breakdowns, and rising costs for your customers. That's why Atlas Oil and Chemical, in partnership with Shell, brings you Shell Corena Compressor Oils, engineered to perform under pressure and built to support your service model. Here's why Shell Corena is the smart choice for service providers. Peace of mind if service intervals are missed. You can keep your 1,500-hour cycles, while Shell Corena provides a safety cushion when clients delay maintenance. Proven protection during power instability. With flash points up to 260 degrees Celsius and superior oxidation resistance, Shell Corena keeps compressors protected, even under load shedding and thermal surges. With faster air release, superior water separation, and ashless technology, Shell Corena reduces wear, keeps components cleaner, and ensures smoother servicing for your team. Shell Corena, trusted worldwide, engineered for Africa, and backed by Atlas Oil, the performance partner your compressor business deserves. Call your Atlas Oil sales representative today to find out more.